Grammar Conditionals Type 0 If a baby is hungry, it cries. 如果個 BB 係肚餓嘅話，佢就喊啦。Conditional 係講出一啲因果嘅關係嘅。我哋用 if 呢個連接詞。If a baby is hungry, it cries. 如果個 BB 肚餓呢，佢就喊啦。If water boils, it turns to steam. 水滾之後，啲水就會變成蒸氣啦。好啦，個用法係愛嚟講出因果關係嘅。而 Type 0 Conditionals Type 0嘅呢個嘅假設句式呢，係特別係愛嚟講 facts 同埋 general truths 一啲事實同埋一啲真理嘅。佢嘅 structure 佢嘅結構呢，其實係將兩個句子，一句句子係有 subject 同 verb 啦，咁要有兩句用個 if 嚟貫通。A baby is hungry。重溫翻少少 ，a baby 係嗰個主語啦，嗰個人啦，佢動詞係好啦。嗱 ，hungry 咧呢度係唔係 object 嚟嘅 adjective 啦，咁係一個咁嘅情況。好啦，佢就會喊啦。It cries。It 就係個 subject 啦，係啦，講緊個 BB 啦。Cries 佢做啲咩咧？個動作。第二個例子 ，if water boils， 如果啲水滾，嗱水係個 subject， 滾係個 verb 個動作。It turns to steam。It 係即係嗰啲水啦，個 subject。Turns 係個動詞，變成 steam 呢個嘅 object， 就會變成蒸氣。好啦，咁你會見到咧個結構係 if 再加一個句子 subject verb， 有時加埋 object，comma 之後就另外一句句子 subject verb object。我哋見到咧 if a baby is hungry 呢一部分咧，係講緊嗰個假設嗰個情況。如果個 BB 係肚餓 ，it cries， 佢就喊啦，就講咗個結果。前面呢一部分我哋叫做 if clause， 而後邊呢一部分呢，我哋就叫做 main clause。If clause 同 main clause 咧係可以調位嘅，你可以將成句成個 main clause 擺上嚟，成個 if clause 咧擺後面變成咁。咁但係當然啦，咁樣係未啱嘅。It cries 呢個 it， 我哋要變返 a baby。If 嗱呢度個 full stop 咧要冇咗 ，if 變返做細楷 I。If a baby is hungry， 最尾 full stop， 成句就變成 a baby cries。If a baby 或者 it is hungry。用下邊嗰句子嚟睇一次啦。If water boils, it turns to steam。我將後邊呢一部分擺去前面，而前面成個 if clause 包埋個 if， 擺去後邊。好啦。同樣啦，作出少少改動 ，it 變返 water。Water turns to the steam， 啲水變做蒸氣。If 如果 water 變做 it boils full stop。成句 water turns to steam if it boils。重新 if 擺中間嘅時候 ，if 擺中間嘅時候呢係冇個 comma 㗎。好，咁我特別呢提返啦，我哋 grammar 上面最容易錯嘅呢，就係個動詞啦。嗱，咁我哋頭先講過啦，我哋 structure 係 is SV。咁每一句句子每一個 if clause 呢有兩句嘅句子由個 if 去貫連，咁每一個句子呢都有個動詞嘅。咁喺 type 0 conditionals 入邊呢 if clause 呢一個動詞同埋 main clause 嘅呢一個動詞，兩個動詞呢都係用現在式㗎。咁所以大家呢可能要重溫返現在式啦。例子 example 1 If a baby is hungry, it cries。好啦，咁佢本身係由個 be， 由於係 baby he she it 就變咗 is。cries 本來係 cry 嘅，由於係 he she it 所以佢變咗做 cries。he she it 要加 s 啊嘛，呢個現在式。好啦 example 2 If water boils it turns to steam， 呢個動詞啦，係啦，你見到都加咗 s， 因為係 he she it 個 subject。Number 3 If you do not brush your teeth every day, they decay easily。 如果你唔刷你嘅牙呢，佢哋就會爛㗎啦。佢哋就爛啦。嗱 ，decay 呢一個咧係個動詞啦，現在式。今次冇嘅 s 點解啊？因為佢係 they 而唔係 he she it。If you do not brush your teeth， 嗱你見到咧佢呢度唔係講 not brush 嘅，係 do not brush。Miss Lai 點解唔係 does not brush 啊？又係啦，因為 he she it 我哋加個 not 先用 does 啊嘛，我哋用 you 咧，我哋用 do 噶。OK，example 4 If one does not eat for 1 month, he dies。 如果有個人唔食嘢1個月，佢就死啦。嗱，前面現在式唔食嘢唔係 not eat 喎，係 does not eat 加翻個 does 俾佢。今次我哋用 does 啦，因為 one 即係 one person 係 he she it 嚟嘅，咁我哋就變成 does not eat。He dies 佢就死啦，死加翻個 s， 因為你見到 he she it。exercise 咁最尾啦，我哋都係特別聚焦喺個動詞度做啲練習啦。If you boil water， boil 冇嘢轉，因為係 you 唔係 he she it。It turns he she it 現在式加翻個 s 俾佢 to steam。If the air becomes hot，The hot air balloon rises。 係啦，咁啊 hot air balloon 個熱氣球，一個熱氣球 it's 啦。If he 呢個題目出得錯咗，個 late 唔係動詞嚟㗎嚇，應該係括住個 be， 係啦 be 先係動詞。If he 變成咩啊？嗱，唔好同我講 be 啥，錯啊！ If he is late is am 啊嘛 ，he 就用 is 啊嘛。His girlfriend gets annoyed。 His girlfriend 即是係 she 嚟啊嘛。If I 呢題又係啦，出得麻麻地。hungry 佢唔係 verb 嚟㗎，佢亦都係漏咗個 be 加翻俾佢。If I be 變做 am， 因為 I 嘛。If I am hungry, my stomach growls。 Growls 係啦，my stomach 我個胃係 it 嚟㗎嘛。 OK？ 好，咁我哋嚟到呢度呢，咁啊都再睇多次啲動詞啦。Boil, turns, becomes, rises, is, gets, am, rose。好，呢度都再睇返啲動詞啦。Is, cries, boils, turns。嗱，留意呢度係 do not brush， 呢度係 decay， 呢個係 does not eat， 呢個係 dies。嗱，唔明嘅話，如果你唔明個動詞呢，好需要溫返現在式 present simple tense。